W with MRMIKE.
Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to draw a cow. Now we only need 4 basic lines and shapes to make this cow. An arc, an oval, a U, and a line. Let's see how this all fits together. All right, let's start off with the top of the head. We're gonna do a wide arc. It's just a slight curve. And we'll go right about here. Okay, now let us create the ears. We're gonna use arcs for the ears. So let's do an arc this way, and then another one on the opposite side. And then we'll do, from the top, we're gonna come back down like that and do another arc. And then you can close that ear off. We're just gonna come around here and just join that, like that, look at that. This arc there. We'll do the same thing on this side. And then another arc below and just close that off. Now, if at any point you need to pause this video and catch up, you can pause the video, catch up, and then join back in with us, okay, friends? All right, next we're going to add in an arc that just kind of curves around like that. They're small arcs because we're going to join a line to them. Okay, we're going to do the cow face. So we can bring a line down like this, and then a line down like this, and then we're going to do a wide arc at the bottom, just like that, and close it off. So that's the cow head. Now we're going to add in 2 U shapes. Watch this. 1, 2, and this one's going to extend all the way to the top. This is the hair that's just kind of at the top. This little hair shape up here. Okay, it looks like a W. Okay. Now we're going to add in 2 arcs for the eyes. We're going to have our eyes closed for this character. So 1 arc, and then 2 arcs. It looks like the cow has its eyes closed. And now we're going to add in another arc for the nose. Okay, so an arc there, and then we're going to have another arc come down here, and then another arc on this side, down here. Excellent. Now we can add in 2 ovals for the nostrils, and we're going to leave those open. We're not going to color those in. Okay, now let's add in the mouth. We can have a line that goes up on an angle, and then we're going to add an arc at the end. It's going to curve upward, just like that. Good job, everybody. All right, now let's work on the body. Let's put in 1 arc right about, let's see here, 1 arc there. And then we're going to do another arc right here. We're going to have that arc joined to another arc that's going to be the whole back of the cow. So watch this. This is going to be one big curvy line. It's going to be arcs that are joined together. So watch, I'm going to come here and join in. I'm going to have this arc come all the way around to here. Okay, so it's an arc this way and then an arc back this way. And then we'll stop. And then let's add another arc. Okay, this will be this leg. We're going to curve this way. So our curves this way. So we'll add another one, another arc right here, curve this way. And then we're going to have the belly. Now the belly is going to be here. So imagine this curve comes around and stops and then starts up again right here. Okay? So let's have that arc come along here. And it's going to go up and stop. Okay? Now this leg here is going to curve like this. And then another arc is going to come in like this and then curve this way. So let's do two. This will be like one wave. It's like a wavy line. One arc that comes this way, and then starts another arc that comes the other way. All right, now let's close these off with straight lines like this. And we're going to do something similar that we did here. We're going to do back here. So we're going to have the arc. It's going to come from the back of the leg. It's going to be here, and then it's going to curve around like that. See? So it's two arcs joined together to make a wavy line. And then we can have this front part of the back leg here. We're just going to have one arc that comes down like that. And we'll close that off with a straight line. And then right here, we're going to have the leg on the opposite side of the cow. This is the last leg. It's on its last leg. We have an arc here, and then an arc here. We'll close it off. We make the host here. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. All right, so now, why is this space here? Because we want to add the cowbell. The cow is going to be wearing a bell around its neck, so we're going to add that in right here. And what we want is the cowbell to hang the line, and then we'll have another line here. We'll have a line that comes across, and a line that comes down, and comes across here. So this is a very interesting shape. We're just using lines to create it. So we have a bunch of lines here, and then the lines that come in here, and then we're going to have the little bell. The part that makes the noise is going to hang down here. You can put a line with, you can color in a circle here, right at the bottom. That's the part that makes the noise. And then we're going to have a string that will be a line. It can come down at an angle, and then come down and up on an angle here. It goes around the neck. So we have our cowbell, we have our cow shape. Let's put in an arc here for like a big spot that's going to be on the cow's back. And then we'll add in 2 arcs for the tail. 1, 2. Right there, and then we'll add in 2 more arcs for the hair at the end of the tail. So let's do that. We'll add 1 arc here, and then another arc going the opposite way there. Now we can add in the udders. Now to do the udders, we're going to add 1 big arc. It goes like this. And then we can add in, let's do 4 U's. So we're going to see here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now we can add in the ground. So we're going to add in lines right where the hoofs meet the ground. So let's do a line here, a line here, a line here, and a line here. Now I'm going to add in a thick black outline around the whole, oh wait, 2 more things we got to do. We're just going to add in some little U shapes here and here, little tufts of hair in the ear. Nice little detail to add in. Okay, now I'm going to add in that thick black outline I was talking about. You do not have to add in this thick black outline. I just like to do it with my drawing sometimes, just to finish off the drawing and smooth out any problem areas that I have. And it just gives it a nice finished look. So what color choices are we going to make? What color choices are you going to make for your drawing? What color cow are you going to have? Is it going to be blue? Is it going to be orange? You can follow along till the end of the video to see what color choices I made, and you can make those same color choices if you want, or you can make your own color choices. Use your imagination. Pick whatever color you want to make your cow. I'm curious what color you're going to choose to make your cow. Will it be a silver cow? It'll look like a robot from outer space cow. Or will it be a brown cow? There's nothing wrong with a brown cow. There we go. Look at our drawing, everyone. Great job following along. Now, what color choices are you going to make for your cow? Follow to the end to see what color choices I made. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Let's draw with Mr. Mike.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.